Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Garlic is extremely healthy as it is rich in antioxidants. The best way to consume garlic is by eating raw garlic. Chop garlics into fine pieces and let them sit for 10 minutes before consuming them. This allows enough time for allicin to form. And allicin is one of the main active compounds derived from garlic. It may help prevent certain cancers and can lower blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure. However, you need to be careful when buying garlics in stores. Now, let us see what type of garlics you should avoid buying. 1. Avoid buying garlic which look unnaturally white. Some imported garlic is heavily bleached to remove soil stains and has an unnaturally white color. This kind of unnaturally white garlic is usually sprayed with chemicals to prevent sprouting and bleached with chlorine to make it look white and spotless. Whitening garlic helps to make it look fresher, clean, and more attractive to consumers. Consuming bleached garlic in long term is bad for your health and can cause many kinds of diseases. It is best to buy garlic which is purple or creamy white in color. Avoid buying garlics which look unnaturally white. 2. Avoid buying soft garlics. You should choose garlics with tightly packed skins and firm cloves. Avoid buying garlics which feel soft when you press them. And avoid buying sprouted garlics. If the garlic is soft when you squeeze it means the garlic is not fresh and has gone bad. Consuming bad garlic can cause botulism. Foodborne botulism is rare, but can be serious and potentially fatal. Symptoms of botulism caused by garlic include nausea, vomiting, dizziness, double vision, and difficulty in swallowing and breathing. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.